Now, before we can get in there and actually start messing around with Python, you're going to need to do two things. And I'm going to walk you through these steps through the next two videos. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go out and visit python.org. Now, there are other locations where you can gain access to the download for Python, but I'm going to take you directly to the source, python.org. So now open in front of you, I'm there, python.org. And as I get there, right away, I'm going to go into downloads, and I'm going to be working and demonstrating on a Windows machine. So for me, if I want to be able to download Python, I'll just go over here to the right, download for Windows, and the current edition, at least at the time of doing this recording, is Python 3.7.0. Now, if you're much later getting into these videos, you might see an updated version. Whatever you got there, download that. And again, I'm working on a Windows machine. So I can give that a click. This is going to open up a little bar inside of Internet Explorer at the bottom, where I can either run the installer from here, or I can save it locally to my computer. I can click on the little arrow here and I can do a save as and save it somewhere on my computer, and I can run it later on. Whatever whatever you like to do there, I'll leave it up to you. But the next video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of the actual installer. Now, if you are working on another platform, such as a Mac or perhaps some other type of platform, there are other options for you. You can go to download. You do have Mac OS 10. If I give that a click, this will take me to a page where you got all the various versions. There's Python 3.70. Again, if you're much later in the videos, you can download whatever version is the current version of Python and follow along with that. Now, again, whatever it is, but hop out to python.org. Once you get there, hop into downloads. Either grab the Windows version if you're on Windows, or if you're on another platform, go ahead and hop over to the left and pick your flavor. Okay? So do that first. The next video, we're going to walk through the actual installer so you can get it running on your system.